Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session related to previous year question discussion in which we are going to discuss the topics from the economy. Okay, so the session is all about how to easily solve the prelims question. Okay, how to find the key within the question paper. Okay, these are the things we are going to discuss. Let's begin the session. Okay. Which of the following factors, policies were affecting the price of rice in India in the recent past? Okay, so what are the things that are affecting the price of the rice? Okay, so what are the things that is affecting the price, the market price of the rice? Okay, affected. Okay, that are the things we are going to discuss. Okay, first, MSB. Obviously, today the government is announcing that the MSP price for a 1 kg of rice is 200 rupees per kg, means that is obviously affect the consumer consuming rate. Okay, so what the farmer will do is they will sell the product, they will sell their produce, the rice produce as 100 rupees or 200 rupees. Okay, whatever the MSP price they are declared, in such a way they will sell the product. Okay, so obviously that will affect the prices in the market. So the MSP is one of the major things. See, there is also the Delhi Chalo event is also happening in Delhi. Okay, the Punjab and Haryana farmers are fighting for the increasing the MSP price. Okay, so if the thing is done, means that will obviously result in the inflationary activity. Okay, so obviously that will affect the prices of the commodity. Okay, so the first MSP is also true. Okay, so by that you can easily eliminate C. Next, government's trading. Okay, see, government is selling the rice, wheat, okay, and all the dolls and something into through the PDS in the rate of 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 3 rupees. Okay, so if the government trading is affected, means there will be reduction in the supply of the rice in the market, so that will also lead to inflation in the market. Okay, if there is less availability of food, if there is less availability of rice through the PDS and the activities, means that will obviously result in the demand pull inflation. So that will affect the prices of the rice in the market. Okay, so that thing also affect. Next, government stockpiling. Okay, consider that the government is holding a stock of 100 tons of rice or wheat. Okay, suddenly they supply it into the market, means the prices of the rice will be reduced, because increasing supply means reducing the price. Okay, so the demand is same. Okay, but at the same time, if you are increasing the supply, means that will obviously reduces the price. So such a way that also reduces the or affect the prices of the rice. Okay, next, consumer subsidy. Okay, the government may provide a subsidy to the fertilizer and a lot more things. Okay, so in such a way, in the PDS also they are providing the rice, wheat and all other things in the subsidized rate. Okay, so if they are reducing the prices of the consuming from through the PDS, see, already they are giving the rice, wheat and all other things in the price of 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 3 rupees. What if they are providing that rice, wheat and all other things in the reduced rate? Okay, that is more subsidized rate. Okay, so that also that also affect the rices that are selling in the market. Okay, so people will tend to buy more rice from the PDS only, because it's way more reduced price, so they try to consume that product. So such a way the supply of the rices in the market will be affected, so that will lead to the deflation in the market. Okay, so that will also affect the price of the rice in the market. Okay, so the answer is actually 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, see, this is one of the most static part question. Okay, see, they just list down the what are the activities that are done by the government related to the buying and selling of the rice. Okay, the MSB, government trading, government stockpiling, consumer subsidy, all these things are related to that activity. Okay, recently they are doing the APMC, okay, and ENAM, that also things, so they may list that also. Okay, so that are the government policies or factors that they are doing. Okay, So in my point of view, if you are logically more well versed in the basics, means you can easily answer these kinds of questions. Okay, thank you. So the answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it is option D. Okay, thank you.